Hi guys, now I'm going to cook an Australian food for dinner. The chicken sausage. Chicken sausage guys, our dinner tonight, and some veggies. Yeah, and again thank you all for support me, and hope you keep watching on this video again. Please like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for any videos that I'm gonna post it so you don't miss any of it. Thank you. Let's go cooking. Hello, welcome back. This is my dinner tonight. Chicken, parsley sausages. Yeah. Flavor is parsley. My husband making noise chicken. Okay guys, this is one I'm gonna cook tonight for dinner. Very easy. I just gonna pan fry it, and then yeah, so dinner is served later. Okay guys, before I'm gonna put this one in a pan, make sure that you're gonna make a hole for these sausages so it's not gonna you know what happened, split. Yeah, that's right. Thanks babe. So make sure that you're gonna make a hole each sausages for like maybe 3 holes a bit. Yep. And then after, then you can put in the pan, and the pan will be heated in a medium heat. Okay, bye bye. Guys, the pan is already heated, so I put the sausage, chicken sausage there one by one. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at now it's gonna be like that thing. Like that, and then the other one. That. Some people watching maybe don't like oil, but I like oil so it doesn't stick on the pan. Yeah, there you go. Now wait when it's brown in each side and turn it. Yep. Okay. And here's my steamed veggies guys. It's still not boiled, so we'll wait another 30 minutes for this one to cook. Yeah, I have a peas, or how to pronounce it, peas, and then carrots and potato. That's all. Just 3 veggies that we like to eat with the sausage, chicken sausage. Yeah, this is an Australian food way of cooking. That's right. Alright, this one guys, it's getting brown now on the other side, so turn this one like that. You know how to do it. I'm just showing it for you. Look at that guys, it looks good now.
Assistant making the gravy. We just used powdered gravy. Didn't have as much tonight, so we're only making half as much as we normally do. For 1 cup of warm water, for 1.5 tablespoons of powder, and then another 2 tablespoons of water, so it's not too thick. And then just keep stirring it to the boil when it thickens, and then cook it out for about 5 minutes, and then turn it off, and then it's ready. And it's easy.
Yes, our is already getting there.
Still steaming. Another 10 minutes.
Another 10 minutes.
Because you got it on the lowest gas, on the smallest gas. And this one take another 5-10 minutes. Just keep stirring back and forth. Figure 8, round in circles. Cook the sausages slowly so they cook properly. Especially being chicken and pork, you need to cook them really good. They're not good, but make sure they're cooked through so you don't get sick. And this one just keeps stirring so it doesn't stick. If you're doing a bigger pot or more of it, you don't have to stir as much. When it's a little pot, it can turn very quickly. So, especially this is just half what we usually make. But we usually have to with roast or potatoes. Wayne wants beef gravy on their chicken sausages. Fair enough.
No, I like only this one. I don't want the gravy. But the kids like it, and you. So I only have my rice and then some veggies. Of course, rice is life for me. I always have rice. Yes, this one.
It's starting to thicken up now. It's getting thicker.
Getting thicker.
Now turn it down.
Turn it down.
Turn it down so it just simmer. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes so it cooks out. You can see it's pretty good. A little bit thick, probably could have put a bit more water, but let it cook out for 5 minutes. And it's getting tired. When I was an apprentice, if you did something bad, as a punishment, they used to make you whip the cream by hand to build up your wrist strength or wrists. Instead of using the machine, they'd make you whip 4 litres of cream by hand. It would take you 25-30 minutes. That was a punishment if you back chat to the chef or you didn't do what you're told. Now you can't do any of that stuff. Maybe in the Philippines you can. Here, everyone's got to be treated so politically correct. It's absolutely crazy. And when I was apprentice, if you stuffed up a meal, the chef would just throw the plate and the whole thing at you. Try and hit you in the head. If you didn't duck quick enough, you got hit in the head. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, it's cooked out. I'm going to turn it off now, and then when we're ready, we can use it. Leave the whisk in there, give it a stir when we're ready. Okay, that's the assistant here.
Hey guys, nearly cooked, guys. It's nearly cooked. Nice sausages. Keep turning now, guys. So it's cooked. The veggies. Okay, the veggies here. I think it's nearly ready. Another 3 minutes. That one. And will be cooked. And our this one here. pretty color. That's right. Look at that. I think it's done. So here guys, your dinner. It's ready. Ready dinner. That's all. Okay, bye. Thanks guys. We already ate our dinner and hope you are subscribing already there so you don't miss my videos, and thank you very much for watching. And yeah, that's it. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye. And please, yeah, don't forget to leave a comments also. So yeah, that's right. Okay, so I know who's commenting and I can go your channel. Sige, bye bye.